In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pretty Trello boards. Trello isn't just about organizing tasks. It can look good while doing it. A visually appealing board makes planning more enjoyable and less stressful, whether you're setting up a personal planner or a team project. I'll show you how to make your Trello board both aesthetic and organized. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Trello.com. This might seem like a straightforward step, but ensuring you're on the right website is essential to kick things off smoothly. Once you're on the Trello homepage, go ahead and log in using your existing account credentials. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. Signing up is quick and entirely free. Now, once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the board that you want to customize. If you're starting fresh and haven't created any boards yet, setting up a new one is a breeze by following Trello's straightforward prompts. Once you've opened the board, you're eager to give a makeover. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 dots up there. This acts as your main menu for all things customization. By clicking on these 3 dots, you gain access to a variety of options that allow you to bring your personal flair to life. Among these options is the ability to change the background of your board. Consider selecting something that inspires you or perhaps reflects your mood. Alternatively, switching up the colors sensibly can add a touch of harmony. Whether you're aligning with your personal style or your team's branding, having a cohesive color scheme can make a substantial impact. So feel free to experiment until you discover a combination that resonates with you. But don't stop there. It's not just about the background. You can change the color of the lists on your board too. This approach is excellent for distinguishing between different project stages or the priority levels of tasks. For example, opting for calming colors for completed tasks and more vibrant tones for new or ongoing tasks can be quite effective. Now, turning our focus to individual cards, making them stand out can really enhance your board's appeal. Adding images to cards is a breeze. Just click on the photo icon found at the top right corner of any card. From there, choose an image that aligns with the theme of your board or the specific task the card represents. Visual cues like these can help you quickly identify cards, making your board more interactive and engaging.